しおちゃんってば。
This is a civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Denver Police Department. This is not a test. There have been reports of a mysterious male attacking citizens specifically in forest areas, but the reason or motive is unknown. They are identified to be wearing some sort of survival game uniform. It is also believed that the Yanderes are back, but that hasn't been confirmed. Stay tuned for further updates.
Breaking news. The mysterious figure has been identified as Peeta Mellark, which is a character from the book trilogy, The Hunger Games. Do not approach him, as doing so will put you in extreme danger. The Young Ultimates, a hero team formed by the Big Guns, have been deployed to aid those who live in forest areas. The members of the Young Ultimates are Makoto Niji, Kayako Kirigiri, Yasuhiro Kagakure, Byakuya Tagami, Aoi Asahina, Toko Fukawa, and Celestia Ludenberg. The Big Guns will also help out by aiding larger forest areas. The emergency alert system also reported about this ongoing situation. Hold on. I just got word that Katniss Everdeen has been abducted. She was last seen wearing a white dress, black shoes, and has brown hair, and green eyes. She was confirmed to be taken by Peeta. The Young Ultimates are planning to take him down. Stay tuned for updates on this serious situation.
This is a law enforcement warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Denver Emergency Management Agency with conjunction of the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. This is not a test. The Denver Police Department have failed to take down Peeta Mellark. Sadly, there is no sign of this stopping any sooner. To make matters worse, there are now Yandere hybrids, now identified as Yangeres. These Yangeres are very dangerous. Those that survived Peeta's attacks have turned into these hybrids. They are described to be holding any insanely dangerous weapon. They have one anime eye, and one bloodshot human eye. One half of the hybrids are anime-like, and the other is human-like. Do not let these Yangeres see you, as they also can run at unpredictably fast speeds. Stay tuned for updates on this serious situation. This is an emergency action notification. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Peter Millerk is now going on a rampage in Denver, Colorado. Yanderes and Yanderes are popping up all over the United States, as well as Alaska and Hawaii. Toko Fukaya, a member of the Young Ultimates, is a Yandere, but she is very loyal to the Young Ultimates and she has vowed to never let any threat destroy this world we set foot on. The President regrets to inform you all that the United States is under attack. Stay tuned for updates on this serious situation.
This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All the EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All normal programming has been discontinued during this emergency. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public at assigned areas. This is 107.3 FM serving the United States area. If you are not in this area, you should now tune into stations providing news and information to the public at assigned areas. Do not use the telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use only. The emergency alert system has been activated. Please stand by. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system now.
The following message has been given authorization at the request of myself and the United States government. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. A national level emergency now exists for the United States and some parts of Canada and Mexico. The situation concerning the Yanderes has gotten worse since Colorado was in despair. The Yanderes, as well as the Yanderes hybrids, have been causing a lot of death and destruction to the United States. The Young Ultimates, the big guns, and the United States military are having a hard time taking down these Yanderes and Yanderes. I regret to inform you that this might be the end of the United States, but we must not lose hope.
That was a message from the President of the United States. Normal programming remains discontinued during this period of despair. This is an administrative message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. The Yanderes and Yanderes have suddenly disappeared, and their whereabouts are unknown at this time. We still advise you to stay in your homes until further notice. You may now return to normal programming.